alarm say, for some reason, our alarm system's not working right, so no water in that alarm. Okay, panel. Let's turn it on. Okay, so heat detector's not popped. Panel unplugged for some reason. Why? Okay, so how do I turn on these lights in here? Just right that. Oh, right there. Idiot. Okay, so smoke detectors look fine. Oh, looks fine. Not dirty. Not dirty. That alarm looks fine. Heat detector looks fine. So, open up the box. One of the batteries is unplugged. Okay, so. Okay. Panel's on. Power trouble. Panel's perfectly fine. Alarms go off. What the hell? It works. You stupid idiots. Oh my. Okay, the panel works damn fine. Nothing should be blocking this. What the? Dude, everything's fine. Oh my god, bro, what the hell? Outdoor alarm works. Everything works. Oh my god. Everything works in this place. Let's see if that smoke detector pulls. That works. Oh my god. What the hell? Oh my god. Oh, did they get rid of that Rolex? Damn it. The smoke detector pull? Yep, that one does. Does this one do? Yep. System's fine. Everything's fine. What the hell? Swear to God, if this goes into trouble again and makes me look like a liar, I'm gonna freaking strangle someone. What the hell? Thing works fine. Alarm's not loose. Everything's fine. What? Kilo. Everything's fine. I don't know what are they talking about? Everything's working perfectly fine.